Welcome to My Chef. My name is Chef Fran, and today we are making a breakfast burrito. The great feel and taste of burrito, but however with breakfast ingredients such as eggs and hash brown, bacon, sausage. Can't go wrong with that, and some cheese. Not just for our taste and flavoring, but also as our food glue. So let's get into our vitamin content of our bacon, hash brown. We already cooked up our mushroom and spinach, my 7 blend cheese here, which contains mozzarella, Kobe, cheddar, white cheddar, pepper jack cheese, Velveeta cheese, and what else did I forget? Swiss. All in here. And for our flavoring, we're going to just do some black pepper and Himalayan salt, some onion powder, garlic powder, and a little bit of cayenne. And that's it for our breakfast burrito. And our sausage patty, just frozen, that I've, thrown out and just cut up. And our bacon that was cooked up already. And we're going to put together our breakfast burrito. And here's our scrambled eggs. I'm going to make the scrambled eggs with you guys. I've already cracked 3 eggs here for our scrambled eggs. Have you ever noticed, if you make 3 eggs and you scramble it doesn't really seem like much? But if you take 3 eggs and you actually put it all around your pan like you're going to make some sort of omelet, it's nice, wide, and big, and it's a lot of eggs. So funny how one ingredient can end up being a volume and then being not much of much. Our breakfast burrito is tortilla. Flour tortilla is folic acid, niacin, riboflavin, thiamine. Eggs, A, B2, B5, B6, B12, E, D, K, and iron. Sausage, B1, B3, B12, D, iron, potassium, phosphorus, selenium, and zinc. Bacon, B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B12, selenium, and zinc. Now our 7 cheese blend, Velveeta cheese, A, C, calcium, iron, and potassium. Cheddar, D, and calcium. White cheddar, D, and calcium. Kobe, A, D, iron, calcium, potassium. Swiss, A, B12, and calcium. Pepper jack cheese, A, B12, calcium, phosphorus, selenium, and zinc. Mozzarella, C, folate, and potassium. Onion powder, B6, C, folate, magnesium, and potassium. Sweet potatoes, A, B2, B5, B12, C, beta carotene, potassium. Spinach, C, E, K, calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium. Mushroom, B1, B2, and niacin. Garlic powder, B6, C, calcium, iron, and magnesium. And cayenne pepper, B6, K, magnesium, potassium. Real facts. Facing food insecurity can happen to anyone. Remember, hunger has no age, no name, no face, no gender, no zip code. Now, 12.5% of men who live alone are currently facing food insecurity. You can learn more by visiting us at jdhcdc.org. With some Himalayan salt, some black pepper, and I'm going to put a little bit of onion powder, a little bit of garlic, okay, and a little bit of cayenne. That little bit always wants to be a lot of it, doesn't it? I think it's jealous. It wants to be the showstopper, this cayenne. All right, and I am... So, this is going to be really important using actually a lot of cheese, because the cheese is our binding glue. So, on our tortilla, I didn't put it at the very edge. I'm going to put it at the edge when we kind of roll it towards the end. But right here, when you move it a little bit more towards getting to the center of it, that's what I find, since this is a smaller tortilla, Now I put my, and it's best to kind of use your hands because it gives you much more freedom. Okay. I'm going to be able to make 2 tortillas to show you. Okay. Okay. So then I take 3 pieces of sausage. And again, we're coming back to our food glue, constantly using our food glue here, which is our cheese. So not only is it going to add great flavor, it's helping us to kind of keep things together. So let's go ahead and actually put a little bit of our veggies, our mushroom and spinach here. I'm going to add some cheese to that as well. Again, because I needed to kind of make everything stick. And then our sweet potatoes. Okay. And we can't forget our bacon. So, get our bacon going here. And let's roll. Okay. So, we have to get a tight grip here. So first I start off by trying to flatten it a little bit and kind of centering it with my hand. So I go this way first, and then I fold it coming in almost like you're folding an envelope. I don't know if you guys can see. I take it like I'm folding an envelope. Okay. And I'm holding it tight while I'm doing that. This side too. Like I'm folding an envelope. So it's all hands on deck for this. Okay. Okay. See? Have a tight grip right here on it. And I'm tucking it in. Oops. I think I just ripped something. That won't be good. And I do plan to put some more glue, cheese, however you want to call it, right here to help us to seal it. And that's it. And that is it. Then we'll place that in our pan. We have 2 already going. So here's our last one. Again, I want to show you here. Just place the cheese towards the center. I think it's a little better when you place it towards the center. And then take the rest of your eggs that we have left. This was our scrambled eggs. And it's really just best to kind of do this with your hands because you have more control. A little bit of the cheese, the sausage. I take 3 pieces of sausage. Okay. Again, a little cheese. Get our veggies here. Our mushroom and our spinach. Okay. Again, a little bit of the cheese. We're going to add the sweet potato. Okay. And our bacon. Get our bacon pieces here. Okay. Gonna have to add a little bit more cheese. All right, so now we want to make sure it's all in the center. Flatten it down just a little bit. Pick this piece up. Okay. And you want to now fold this over. Almost like you're getting ready to make an envelope. Okay. And then fold this piece over as well. Now you want to hold it tight, firm, as you get ready to roll. Hold on. Hold on. Now you want to put some more cheese. Remember, this is your food glue. The cheese right here. There you go. You have your breakfast burrito. Just make sure the cheese is all here so it could stick. Then you'll put it down like this in the pan. Let's see how our pan is moving on here. Ooh, okay. Okay. When our burrito gets some color in our cast iron. This is my non-stick cast iron pan. So we're just going to allow each side to get a little bit of color, and then I'll show you once it's done. So here's our breakfast burritos with some eggs and 7-blend cheese, of sweet potatoes as well in here, and sausage, and some spinach and mushroom, and some bacon with our flour tortilla. And our cheese is Kobe, Swiss, pepper jack, white, and regular cheddar, and Velveeta, and mozzarella. And bacon, of course, garnished with. All right, Chef and Fam, so we have our breakfast burrito. Super simple, super easy. This is even something you could even do the night before and just warm it up, you know, and take it with you in the morning. All you do is cook your eggs separately. If you get the sausage ready, kind of like pre-made frozen, you know how they sell them. That's kind of what I had here. And you cook your bacon. I usually like to cook my bacon, because I love bacon, in batches, a lot of them, and just kind of keep them and snack on them, or just use them and throw in food. So that's something that you can do too if you are a person who loves bacon, whether it's turkey or it's regular bacon. Some sweet potatoes here. And I used my 7-blended cheese because my cheese was not just for flavor in here, but it was so intricate in keeping the burrito together. It is our food glue. So I used 7 cheeses that I grated myself and made my own blend. However, whatever cheese you like, whatever cheese you have on hand, do that. Or you can use my 7-blend, which my 7-blend cheese is, we're going to count them together. It is cheddar, it is white cheddar, it is mozzarella, it is Colby, it is Swiss, it is pepper jack, and the creaminess of all cheeses, Velveeta. So again, use what you have on hand, or you can do my own thing. I don't use what's in the bag. I actually shred it because it's so much better for you to do that, because the bag has like some sort of form of chemical that they put on it, and it's just really not healthy for you. So I just shred all my cheeses from blocks, and as well as some bacon. Can't forget the bacon, and some spinach and mushrooms in here. So, and then I flavored my eggs with some Himalayan salt, black pepper, some cayenne pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. So that's what we have in here. So let's take a bite. Mmm. 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 Whoa. Okay. Mmm. Whoa. All the flavors of the cheeses are coming out one by one. Oh my gosh. This is so good. The eggs are nice and fluffy. Oh my gosh. Mmm. This is so good. Wow. Whoa. If you could at least put 2 different cheeses, at least 2, it just comes out, the flavor. And then the sweet potato, the sweetness from the natural sweetness from sweet potato kind of give the balance of the cayenne that I had, the little spiciness and the black pepper, as well as the pepper jack, so that helps kind of cool things down. This is so delicious. I really do hope that you try to give this recipe a try. Like I said, something fast and easy. Your kids will love it. You will love it. That you can kind of do and just have, and even freeze them. They freeze well, actually. You can actually freeze this and check one out every day for work. That mushroom, that umami sensation. So good. A bacon for garnish. Definitely try this. So, wow, so flavorful. Here's my call to action. Don't forget to click the like button by giving me a virtual hug. When you do that, that lets myself and my whole team know that you're enjoying the content that we're putting out for you. It allows us to go back to the thinking lab about, well, hey, what else we can come out and do for you. Cooking is all about passion, like I always say, creativity, and love. Love is really the main focus of making your food taste delicious. I know it may sound crazy, but if you love food and you love trying to make things, that's really where how the food and the passion comes through and how it ends up tasting really good. So, if you're new to this channel, welcome. We welcome you here with open arms and great big hugs. You can also, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification if you want to know each time we put out a new video. I want to thank you guys for hanging out with me today, as it was quite enjoyable to make this breakfast burrito for you and kind of give you new fresh ideas. And I look forward for you coming back to hang out with me again. Thank you for eating with me virtually while I ate physically, but next time you can eat this physically too. And let me know. We do answer our comments, so comment below and let me know how it turned out for you. Thank you again for hanging out with me. Love you. Bye.